for the upcoming MCQ examination of CBSE Computer Science. There will be few questions based on the functions chapter. Let us see. Question number 1, in which we are printing the value of a first, then we have some function followed by printing the value of c and then the function call. So as the question says that we are going to have something like printing the value of a first, but by chance all the three options have a in the beginning. Then we will be having something like c, then only function should be called. So we have one option as option number c. So as we can see that the correct option in this case is number C. Let's see the second question. In this case, we have something called as function written named as ABC, which is printing X. So the first statement which will be executed will be printing Y. Last statement which is being executed will be printing Z. So we have an option C. Let's see the correct answer. So without calling the function, in the rough instance, we can see that the answer selected by us was correct. Next question. We have a function named as addition. We have a function named as addition, which is printing the value of two arguments passed a and b as addition. Now there are two other variables, int1 and int2, which are having values like 5 and 15. So function is being called two times. Time number 1, time number 2. So it means we must have two outputs. So there are two outputs given in option number B and C. So let's see this. This is performing addition. So 5 plus 15 should give me 20. Let's check the answer. So the answer given is number C. The result is 20. The result is 20. Let's see the fourth question now. Now we have list being passed as an argument, which is adding the value 10 in each element and then returning. Sooner the function will return some value, the control will pass here and the variable array will be updated. So array should print the changed value of 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10. Changed value. So the changed value is at this place. There is no error in the code, although we should try our level best to see that in case there is an option like error in the code or none of the above. Next question. A function is now having asterisk symbol as an argument. So asterisk symbol as an argument says that we can pass as many values as we want. The function is being called three times. Number 1, number 2, it's a semicolon. Number 3. So we should have three different set of values. Let's see. If I'm going to pass something like 10 and 20, so this should add 10 and 20 and should give me 30. When I'm going to pass 10, 20 and this is minus 30. Minus 30 means 0. So in the second option we have 0 at all the places, but there is only option number B where we have 30 at the first place. For the sake of confirmation, we should also go for the third answer, third function calling also. Let's see the sixth question now in the same row. Now we have define function x with the default value of y as 100. So when I'm going to call the function with a and b, it means that the function will be called with 200 and 300, which should give me 500. So we have two options where 500 is coming at the first place. Now we have function being called with a only, that is with 200 only. This will be 200 and 100. So we should have 300 at this place. Let's check the answer. The correct answer is this. We will not at all be in hurry. We will check all these statements provided in the function. Let's see this. We have a function having one argument as default, 100. So over here it will return the value of a and b. So a is 50, b is 20. The values will come at this place. The value from here will go here. Now the answer should be 70 at the first case. Once again, In the question, we have three options, all the four options where we have 70 at the first place. Now let's look for the second calling. So at this place, the value of A is getting changed. It is having 70. So at the second call, when I'm going to call the function, this will go with 70 and will utilize this 100. So after the addition, we'll find that the correct answer will be 20 at the second place, 70 at the second place, followed by 170 at the end. Let's go for the next question now. Question number 8. A function is being called with two default arguments, 10 and 100. Both 10 and 100 will be overwritten by 50 and 200. So 50 plus 200. The value of B should be 250. So we have two options where the value of B is 250. So the option now will go for something like, we are going to call this function once again, and now when the function will be called, the value of B is being passed first. The value of B now will be that of the value of X. Now after the calculation, we'll get something like 300. So let's see, 300 is there or no at the third place? Yes, we do have. So the 300 is there in the last option. Let's see the ninth question in the same row. The function is once again having second variable as a default argument. After the calculation, that is addition of P plus Q and P minus Q, the value of P and Q will be changed. The P's value will be returned and the returned value will be updated in the variable X. Now when I'm going to print X, the value of X and Y in this case should be 300 and 200. Let's highlight 300 and 200. These are the two options. Once again, the function will be called. Now the value of Y, that is the second variable, will be updated. And now the answer after changes will be number B. Let's see the last question in the same row. This goes very important. The use of the global keyword. The global keyword says that we should not have any value before any change in value before the use of this statement. So the option says that the error in the question goes wrong. So the D option is striked off. Now let's check once again. We have 100. Then we have function being called. Then we have print statement after the function, means this should print something like 100 first. So we have two options, B and C, where 100 is being printed at the first place. Let's call the function. When the function will be called, it will make the value of val, variable val, as 10 and it should print 10. So we have once again C as the correct option in the answer. So always remember to do working at that time whenever you are performing in MCQ based question based on functions chapter. All the best for the upcoming examination. Wait for more set of questions in the same series. Thank you for watching.